Hi, my name is Marsha and I'm the founder of Pattern Geeks. 50 million people in the world live with epilepsy, and it is one of the most common neurological conditions. People with epilepsy always have some risk for a seizure, and some go without a seizure for years, while others have seizures daily. When the next seizure will happen cannot be predicted. Seizures that happen during sleep are particularly dangerous because they can result in SUDEP, or sudden unexpected death in epilepsy. Some famous people who died from a seizure are Juice WRLD, Cameron Boyce, and Michael Jeter. Currently, there are EEG devices that can detect seizures. This is non-invasive and there is no radiation. The EEG device measures and records electrical activity in the brain, and this data is used to determine if a seizure has occurred after the fact. However, the EEG device is unable to predict future seizures. Also, there are many barriers for patients to get an EEG. 1. Appointments need to be scheduled weeks or months in advance. 2. Duration of EEG is typically not long enough to capture a seizure. 3. The current EEG device is bulky and does not enable a patient to engage normally in daily routine. 4. Many children cannot tolerate the current device altogether because it is very uncomfortable. 5. Reading the EEG result is largely a manual process which is time-consuming and prone to human error. Pattern Geeks is building a compact, wireless, and wearable device that will be comfortable to use during one's daytime routine and at night. Our device will not only detect seizures but will also predict oncoming seizures. The device will send data to a mobile phone, which will display artificial intelligence-generated insights. An app will alert a patient if there is a high risk of a seizure or an ongoing seizure. Also, real-time data can be sent to the doctor's office. EEG data is continuously collected from the head and sent to the cloud. The data in the cloud is used to train an artificial intelligence model. A pre-trained artificial intelligence model will make instantaneous calculations for seizure detection and prediction. In this video, I'm going to tell you why I founded Pattern Geeks. 2 years ago, my son had a major seizure and ended up in the emergency room at the hospital. He was unconscious and the emergency room doctor kept giving him more medications and asking me, has the seizure stopped or has it not stopped? This was extremely scary because I was not the expert in that situation and I was expecting the doctor to know what's going on. But then I realized that the doctor did not know what's going on because he did not have the appropriate tools. Fortunately, my son survived this experience. Afterwards, I realized that there is a need to build an EEG detection and prediction device, and I started Pattern Geeks. We're working to build a compact, wireless, and portable EEG device that can be worn at home and in the hospital for extended periods of time. This device will feed into an AI algorithm that can detect and predict seizures. Fortunately, I have a PhD in computational neuroscience, and I have a group of amazing friends in various areas of expertise who are helping me build this device. We're looking for other people to join the mission. If you care about epilepsy and you are interested in this project, feel free to reach out and we would love to connect with you.